Now, one of the good things about the old Harbor Freight tire changer is it works good on J5 Bombardier tires. Now, when you put this down, it's not going to go all the way in. You're going to have to beat the race out. So, if I go like that, she'll come right out. So it just happens to be the same size. Now, there's absolutely no room to get in here and do what I really want to do. So we're only going to peel half this tire off to get the old tube out and get the new tube in. So if you hadn't noticed, this is a motorcycle's tire. It just happens to be the same size as the original tires that were on the Bombardier, and it's cheaper too, free. I went to the motorcycle shop and I was able to get a bunch of these for free. So they work great. As you probably noticed, I've replaced 3 or 4 of them, and there's still some of the originals on. So let's go ahead and install the tube.